Poppy, and today I'm really excited because I've been sent the Bandai Banana Series 2. So I'm going to open them and take a look at what we've got inside. So I've had to cut open the packet to open the bananas, and it actually smells properly like bananas. It's actually a really nice smell. It's like a nice sweet banana smell. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so now I'm going to unpeel. I wonder what colour I've got here as well. This is actually really cool if you look at that, because in the series 2 you can get some limited edition colours as well, which is really good. But I'm now gonna open these. So I get 1 figure, 1 vine, 1 sticker, 2 little friends, and 7 gemstones. So I get a lot inside the banana. Wow. So I've got 13 pieces in each banana. That's so good. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna peel the banana open. That is so satisfying. And the really cool thing about these is once you've unpeeled them, you can just put them back together again. So you can open and close them as many times as you want, and you can keep all the stuff inside as well, which is really good. Okay, let's see what we've got. Okay, I'm gonna start with this, I think. I wonder what we've got in here. Okay. Oh, we've got, I think these are our 2 little, those are really cute. I remember these from last time when I did it, and we had the little like food friends. These are my little mini squishy friends. Oh, they smell of bananas as well. That's really cool. They're like, I think they're like they look like robot pizzas. So put these down there. And I've also got some really nice gemstones in here as well. Look at these. Those colours are really pretty. So I'll put them on there with my little squishy friends. Okay, so now I'm going to open, I think this is my vine hanger. Okay, let's see. Oh, that is a nice colour. That's like a turquoisey blue. So I think I need to clip this bit. Oh, look how nice that is. It's like a little turquoisey blue colour. That's really cute. And it sort of goes with all the other colours as well inside the set. So I'm going to pop that here. And now I'm going to open my little friend. I wonder what we've got. Ooh. Look at that. That's so cool. I wonder. Oh, it's nice. It's sort of like a squishy as well. That's really cool. Look, and you get a sticker with it as well. It smells of bananas. Smells really nice. That is so cute. Look at that. Right, let's have a look at what we've got. So I'm going to open my little guide here. So which one do we have? I've got Miss Alisa Spider. That is a really cool spider. See, that looks like a nice and friendly spider. I wouldn't mind this if it turned up in my house. So I've clipped my little friend onto the vine hanger, and look how cute it looks. It looks really cute. So I've got my vine hanger, my friend, my sticker, my gemstones, my little squishy friends, look how cute they are, and my little booklet. So all of that you get inside the one banana, and you can pop it all back in and seal the banana up again, so you can bring it around with you. But you can buy them on their own for $3.99 or in a set of 3 for $9.99, which is so good, because you can clip the bananas together to make a bunch, and they'd be such a good present for like a friend if you're going to a party. So they would make a really cool present, I'm sure. Look what else I have been sent. So it's part of the Bandai Bananas Series 2, and it is the lemon and lime fruits. Look at all the colours we get on the back as well. I've got the pink and the blue, and I can't wait to see what's inside. Okay, so now I'm going to open them and have a look. So these are some new tropical fruits to add to your banana collection. So let's take the pink one first. Oh, do you know what is so nice? It smells like holiday. That is the nicest thing ever. It smells like fresh. Oh, it smells lovely. That is actually so nice. I'm sort of getting, it sort of smells like, it actually smells like limes. It's the smell of like on the holiday when you're like in a tropical country. It's so nice. Oh, that smells really good. This off. So I've got, oh, this is a cute little bit we've got on the top. Sort of like the top of the lime. Now I'm gonna peel. Oh my God, look at that. Look how cute this is as well. It sort of looks like a cute sort of like flower. Okay, so now I've opened up my lemon and I'm gonna open to see what we've got. Oh, we've got some little gems again. And we've got our little squishy friends. Look at these. So we've got, I think these are some little walking grapes. And we've got this little blue banana. Look how cute that one is as well. So I've got a little face and it looks like a little baby banana. It's really cute. And we've got our gemstone stickers as well. We've got 7 of these and they're really cute colours again. I really like the purple hearts, they're really nice. Because they go with the stickers. Right, now I'm gonna open my crushie and see what I've got inside. Oh, look at that! It's like a little, oh, look how cute that is. Look, it's got a really pretty, look at his face. And we've got this really cute sticker to go with it. Look at that, so cute. So look what you also get inside of the box. I'm gonna take out my lime, which I'm gonna open in a minute. But you get a vine hanger. We've actually got 2 vine hangers, but I'm gonna save the other one for this lime. And I'm gonna open my vine hanger and see what we have. Oh, it's an orange one. Oh, that's so cute. Look at the little, it's a nice colour as well to go with my purple. I'm gonna clip it on here. I'm gonna put on my little crushie. Oh, look at that. And I'm gonna read now my little booklet I've got inside. Ooh. All of them have got really cute little face paints on them, if you have a look. So I wonder which one I'm gonna get in the next one. So I'm hoping, because I actually forgot to tell you, that each character has a twin. So I'm hoping that in this one, I've got the twin to Loyola Lima, but we'll open it and take a look. Okay. So I'm gonna unpeel it again. Let's have a quick smell. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, so I've already got my 12 surprises in here, but I'm just gonna open this one to see which crushie character I've got. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. This one is Yara Bulldog. Look how cute. So I didn't get the twin, but that's okay because I'm gonna keep collecting to see if I can get Loyola's twin. But it's brilliant because I love this one anyway. And look how cute these 2 are. So I'm gonna pop this one on its vine hanger. Ah, oh, look how cute these 2 are. Oh, look at that. And the best part about it is I can clip my Bandai banana one onto my lemon and lime. So look how cute that looks. And look how many you can collect as well. So I can clip another one on and I can have a massive like vine hanging little friends. Okay, so this is the duo pack and you can get that for $7.99, so you get both of these in there. So this is the duo pack. Or you can get them just on their own and they've got 12 surprises in each one for $3.99. So look how good that is. Thank you for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And I absolutely love the Bandai Series 2. It's so good, the bananas and the lemon and lime fruits. So make sure if you can get them, or they'd be a really good little present and good collectibles. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.